Oh, he's tired. Oh, he's done it. Oh, look at him. He's just shaking. He's just shaking. He's working so hard. He's just shaking. Shaking his fist at me right now. He's like, golly, let me rest. Let me rest. All right, good morning, guys. It's a sharecropper and a sheriff. Day 3 or 4, I don't remember, but this is baling day. Good Lord willing, we don't have any breakdowns. We'll get done here today. So anyway, looks like it's probably going to rain tomorrow. 38% chance anyway, but who knows? At any rate, guys, you guys come along. We'll see what happens today. So get some good footage, I hope. All right, guys, let's try to get this outside round without hitting the fence. Matter of fact, I'll probably show you guys some of this fence footage in just a second. Let's see if I can clutch it out of this hole here. Yeah, let me make a little change here so you guys kind of see what I'm dealing with here. I think I might have showed you some footage just the other day on this, but right here, I'm trying to keep that wheel out of that fence right there. Sometimes that's not easy to do. Sometimes it's not too hard, but when we cut up close to the fence like we've done here, which I did it, so ain't no we done it, I did it, so I need to be able to get my wheel to turn. I'm kind of balling up here. I've got to get my wheel back down where it starts turning because I'm just dragging hay is all I'm doing right now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna downshift. I don't like it when it does that, but it just does. I ain't gonna. There we go, guys. Let's see what happens with it now. There we go. We got it. It's moving a little bit. It's moving. It's wanting to move. It's wanting to move. It's got a pile. It's just, I have to clear the pile. There we go. Maybe I'm kind of raking against it. Let's see. Now I'm raking with it, so I'm not sure why it's doing that, guys, but it is. There comes the sheriff. He's eating that hay this morning, and it is some really good hay, guys. I mean, when you can rake hay like this and bale it up, it's good stuff. I like to get as much of this as I can, but it ain't easy. Like the Cheeto commercial, it ain't easy being cheesy. Yep, now watch that fence right there for me. Give me 40 acres and I'll turn this rig around. It's the easiest way that I've found. So here we go. Yeah, y'all can see that. Y'all keep me out of that fence now. If I go to hit that fence, you warn me. Say, hey, sharecropper. You're tickling the fence, sharecropper. All right, guys, here we go again. Breaking in another spot of the field. Gonna do our best. Gonna do our best. I'm hoping that old rake plays the game there. So far it has. It's not wadding up yet. I hope it doesn't wad up. Well, it'd be nice if it did not wad up. It's rolling hay so far. Maybe I'm not tickling the bop wire, mark wire. You know, it looks like it's gonna rain, guys. I sure hope it doesn't this morning. Turn this thing around. Try to go right down the middle of those if we can. All right, guys, we are going to change out a roller wrap. Pretty simple deal. But if you get it in backwards, you'll know it. Pretty simple deal. Wow, run plumb out, didn't we?
Yep.
All the way. Well, I guess that's how you really want it.
Yep, no waste.
Go and drop it or pick it up again. Okay. There we go. How many bales on there now?
160 something.
I knew there was quite a few. It was making a lot of hay over here.
We can start hauling the rest of it.
Yeah, I seen him pull in.
I haven't seen Dayton anymore.
I hadn't seen him.
Around directly.
Yeah, he'll be around. Don't worry, that trash won't blow off. We got a place for that. Got it? That in? It all goes in this tube. Matter of fact, throw it up in that deal. You want that? Throw this tube up in there and that in your deal. Up
Yeah,
in,
I will. Yeah, I forgot.
I mean, I can carry it around, but ain't.
Nah,
It's so dadgum long.
I'll stick it in there.
That is a really. If a person needed a tube.
Must have been missing the end cap.
Yeah, because I pulled one out. Did you pull one out?
Nah, mine may still be in there.
Oh, maybe.
I didn't look.
We're gonna put another in.
Didn't even look. Well, it's not baling too good this morning. I don't know.
It's not?
It does. It is. It
Oh.
scares me.
It's like, whew, it looked like it was bailing good.
That's all baling good right now.
I'm just trying to stay out of the way. Thought I'd get my drone going a while ago, but I have not got it hooked up.
Missed one. That's what we
Can't get it hooked up to the Wi-Fi. I gotta figure that out.
We like a little bit here, then I guess you'll go around it.
Well, go around it probably
it's
a
gonna
couple, 2 or 3 times, then I'll go back and forth. That or I'll start like this and I'll do the ends. Probably do that. I'll do that. I'll have to time it to where we don't wind up with hay down here and we're down there. You know what I'm saying? I'll have to time it to where I can leave the ends and then come back and do them. But if well, how are you gonna do it? However you gonna do it.
You put it in a row and I'll pick it up.
That's just hay sticks just laying there. That's all it was. Are you on the roller on that side? Are you got any roller showing on that side?
You mean my belt?
No, the roller, top roller. It's not. You're this far covered on this side. You're all the way over this far past the roller on this side.
Yeah, I'm just almost to the edge.
Okay, yeah, you're.
It's
It's alright, I guess.
so far, I guess.
Yeah.
So far. Just keep praying and hoping.
Yep. We'll get it. All right, guys. That's how you change out a roller net wrap. When we come back up through here, I'll really show you. But there was about probably 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got about 5 bells that'll warn you that you're about to run it out. Plus the monitor, the bell track monitor inside that tractor that goes with that baler. It will tell you as well that you're getting low and start screaming at you. But these bells down here, they have red stripes on them. They paint, I guess, the first so many feet of these bells they paint when they're wrapping them at the factory. And I'll show them to you. I'll pull up here and show it to you. Right here on these bells, I'll pull up here close. You guys can see, but there's a red stripe or pink stripe, but it's red on that bell right there. And that's what we're talking about. That's the indicator. If you're watching, you can tell that, hey, here in a minute, we're going to be changing out a roller wrap. So. I'd let him go on by. We'll run alongside the sheriff here. He's bailing. I'll try to go his speed. Trying to watch him. He got stage fright. Rather he is pooping out a bell. I think if he's pooping out a bell. Goodness gracious. See, guys, y'all probably felt that. That's a pretty good dip. That's hard on everything. Alright, sorry guys. We had a weird noise. And I was just concerned, so I had to have the sheriff stop and listen to it or watch it while I manipulated some of my stuff. Maybe I won't. I'll tell you what. The Keystone Light can just. Somebody drove down the road and drove it over in this hayfield, showing their intelligence. Tell you what, I wish people had done that. Anyway, goodness. That's so aggravating. People are so disrespectful. So now a cow's going to chew on that because somebody's going to eventually feed it. That's so just not cool. I don't like that at all. I mean, throw it in the trash can when you get home. I mean, my stuff sits in the floorboard of this tractor and sits in the floorboard of my pickup, but don't throw it out the window. Definitely don't throw it in the hayfield. That wasn't here yesterday, because I'm the one that cut that yesterday. That last outside round, so I know that Keystone can wasn't there. So that whoever it was they threw that over the fence. I mean, be respectful of people's stuff. Goodness. Right here, guys. This is the zone right here, boys and girls. Oh goodness. As Bryson would say, just ball it up and dump it. And that's what I just did. Well, I don't like to do that. What we're going to try to do is go around this thing backwards. Once, turn around, come the other direction, and go back the other direction. Get 3 swaths, get about 60 foot worth of working width on both ends, and we'll go to going back and forth. And I'm trying to, I'm raking this backwards, so I'm raking this on the left hand side, and I'm not even looking back at the rake. You guys are watching the rake for me. I'm trying my best not to hit that fence and get all that hay. So. It's a long way around this thing, guys. We've been going for 8.5 minutes, I think. We ain't made all around yet. Easy moving along. It's just making a lot of hay. Wonder if we'll get lucky and he'll dump a bale right beside us. You think we'll get that lucky? No, we're not gonna get that lucky. But he made a bell. He made a bell. Well, folks, that right there in the background could shut us down today. Rain is all around us, it's just not right on top of us. I don't know if y'all can see that out there, but that out there, that's rain right out there. I think we're fixing to get wet, guys. I can see it. Yeah, I'm not gonna rake anymore right now. I'm gonna sit and wait, see what happens. He can chase me if we have to. Boys, it's baling good too. We've got enough of it up, though. What we had sold, it's not gonna get wet. And been delivered, actually. So we'll see what we can do here. Yep, he knew what I was doing. Matter of fact, guys, no need to sit here. I'll just take you along. We'll go chase him. He is bailing so fast. He has blowed his tire out on the side. Flippity floppity, flippity floppity. We gotta get him in one of those. We just hadn't done it yet. Yeah, that poor old tire. Old tire's in sad shape, guys. Those belts just go round and round, round and round. He's got to take it really easy right where he's at right now. Having to skip a little hay because it is some kind of rough. Oh, howdy. Take on a hole for you people. That thing is getting it in there, guys. That's sad, ain't it? Sad, sad, sad little tire. It's done its best. You did your best, little buddy. You did your best. I know you're about to lose it all, but you've done your best. We thank you. You did your absolute best. Thank you for being there. Oh, little buddy, I'm about to lose you. It's okay, little buddy. Hang in there. Hang in there, little buddy. You can make it. You can make it. Hang in there, little buddy. You can make it. Oh, you can make it. Oh, he's tired. Oh, he's done it. Oh, look at him. He's just shaking. He's just shaking. He's working so hard. He's just shaking his fist at me right now. He's like, golly, let me rest. Let me rest.
Oh God.
Guys, that right there is probably going to shut us down today. That is, I've heard the thunder and I've seen the lightning. I am scared to go too far ahead of the old sheriff there because we would rather get it wet in the wind, in the laying flat than in the windrow. I'd rather have it in the bell and get it wet. It's not going to happen. There has been some impressive lightning bolts in this so far. I'm trying to find you one here. Landowner, he's got to get off that tractor, get out of the rain. He doesn't have a cab. Thunder rolls and the lightning strikes. Another love grows cold on sleepless nights. As the storm goes all out of control, deep in her heart, thunder rolls. That's a wrap, guys. I'm getting wet. Yep. That is it. We are wet, guys. Thought we'd get lucky today, but we didn't. We got a big bunch of it in, though. Man, oh man, I didn't think that storm was going to get us, but it did. That old rain won't really hurt this though. We'll let it dry and roll it over, let it dry, and it'll Till next time, guys, you guys be safe. See ya.